Now, many people ask this question whether coins or bars, and especially if they're new to all this. But even those who've been buying for a while may not necessarily know all the facts. So we try and help explain some of these here. Now, under severe economic circumstances, such as the 1930s depression, governments may recall or confiscate your gold and silver coins if they've been issued by the state mint. You can research this independently. It's called the Executive Order 6102, enacted in 1933 in the USA, and once more after that. And a few other governments in Europe tried to take gold away because they knew who purchased the gold that was minted by the state mint. So it may not be a wise idea to have US silver eagles or Canadian gold maples or British gold sovereigns. Why have anything created by the government when you can have independent brand names whose quality in the marketplace commands a higher price anyway? And then comes this additional complication in case of gold coins, for example, even silver coins. They have an extra factor called the numismatic value. Numismatic value relates to certain characteristics of a coin depending on where they were minted, during which era, whether it was a limited run, what year, and so on and so forth. And there may be some history attached to them. So you end up paying widely ranging prices for what is essentially the same kind of coin as the next one. But that complicates things. We advise it's much easier to simply go for gold and silver bars because their entire existence revolves around just few basic points. How many carats? What is the weight? What is the fineness? And which brand? In our case, you only get 24 karat gold, which is the highest number of carats any gold has. 24 carats simply means of all the 24 parts of metal within it, all 24 are gold. There is no other alloy mixed. If it was 23 carat, that means one part is something other than gold or silver. Okay? In terms of weight, it's very straightforward, usually grams or ounces or troy ounces. It's very easy to look up what the weight really is by comparing it on Google. The fineness in case of gold, ours is 999.9. There are 4 nines with a decimal point in the fourth place, after the third place. In case of silver, it's usually 999 is sufficient. That simply means that out of 1,000 parts, 1 part is dirt. So when it says 999.9, it means out of 1,000 parts, 0.1 part is dirt. This is dirt that doesn't get burnt off during the refining process. And then finally, the brand matters more than something like a South African Kruger Rand or a Chinese Gold Panda. That is specific to those countries, but a generic high quality brand is recognized all over the world as superior quality on its own. So coins or bars? I would say bars. And again, which weight? Well, you choose. How many grams have you accumulated? And then you simply choose. Please watch the next video.